Alright friends, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can measure this cutter head on this Z-Nano. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you had a cutter head that was significantly too large for the small measuring surface on the Z-Nano, but you still needed to figure out a way to measure it accurately? I will show you exactly how this works. It's explained quite simply. Our cycle offers a function in which we search for or determine the highest cutting edge by orientating the spindle. As soon as our spindle has rotated once through 360 degrees, we position it again at the point of the highest cutting edge and measure the longest length again. And this will ultimately be entered into your tool table, and you're fully prepared and ready to begin. So much for the theory. Let's now test the whole thing on the machine. Before we can get started, we take our precision measuring device and first determine the rough length. We then proceed to enter this value into our tool table. At this point, we've successfully swapped our tool into the spindle, measured the rough length plus or minus 5 millimeters, and entered it in our tool table. Now we can start the cycle. The tool is positioned off-center, and as we can see, the longest cutting edge is determined by a spindle orientation. Here we can also clearly observe how the cutter head would move sideways past the Z-Nano if we didn't have this specific function. Once the cutter head has completed a full 360-degree rotation, the longest cutting edge is finally determined. Have you ever been in a situation where this cycle would have helped you? Feel free to let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Oh wait, come back again. Stay process safe.